Hello students, today we are going to study what? Breathing in other animals. Okay, how do we breathe, you know? How do we breathe? Do you remember? Huh? We take in what? Oxygen through our nose, isn't it? And it goes to our lungs where the diffusion of gases takes place. Oxygen enters our body through the blood capillaries and goes out again after oxidizing the food through that to the lungs and then to the nose, and there what is being given out? Carbon dioxide. But what about the other animals? बाकी animals कैसे breathe करते हैं? ठीक है, तो simple, if we are taking what some animals I have taken for the example, okay, which you have to study. First is what? The cockroach. कॉकरोच डज दे हैव नोज? उनके पास नाक रहता है? कॉकरोच के पास देखा है? नहीं रहता है ना. तो क्या है उसके पास? स्पाइरिकल्स है. क्या है स्पाइरिकल्स? SPI. Okay, so in this what happens? These are what? Small holes. Okay, these small holes, it is protruded inside with the tube like structure. Okay, and that is known as what? Trachea. Okay, and this oxygen enters through the spiracles inside the trachea, and this oxygen rich air, when it enters the spiracle through the trachea, the oxygen is supplied to this cockroach, isn't it, which reaches to the cells, and again what byproduct it is getting? Carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide क्या होता है? बाहर चला आता है उसे through trachea and from the spiracles or the holes. Okay, earthworm, if we are seeing of earthworm, इसमें क्या होता है? They have got what? Moist skin. Skin is slimy in nature. It means क्या? Slippery होता है, and moisture present in a skin, and that is why we are saying it is having what? Moist skin. In this moist skin, it takes in easily the oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. This is the same case with the frog. Have you seen a frog? मेढक देखा है? मेढक का skin जो होता है वो क्या होता है? Slippery होता है, isn't it? उसके पास lungs होता है? Yes, they have got lungs. Okay, they use their skin also for what? Respiration. This moist skin also helps the frog in respiration, in taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Now, fish, if we are saying, where does the fish live? कहाँ रहता है fish? पानी में रहता है. तो पानी में रहता है तो क्या इनके पास भी नाक है? नहीं, नाक नहीं है. उसके instead of that, what is present? Gills are present. Okay, these gills, what they help in what? Respiration. Actually these gills are the projections of the skin. ये जो gills बना हुआ है इन fish का, वो skin के through ही उसके projection से ही बना है. And here number of blood capillaries are present, and this blood capillaries, ये blood capillaries help them to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. वो अपने अंदर इसके द्वारा क्या करता है? ऑक्सीजन लेता है अंदर और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर करता है. Okay, so this इस तरह से by this cockroach, earthworm, fish, as well as one thing more I said of what? Frog, isn't it? They respire. Now, what about the plants? How do plants respire? कैसे सांस लेता होगा this trees? In the first chapter you have studied what you have studied, that stomata are present and they help in gaseous exchange. But stomata are present in the leaves, isn't it? But the whole part of the plant, all the parts, leaves, roots, stems, branches, everything, they participate in what? Respiration. Okay, तो breathing सभी जगह से होती है. Leaves we can say stomata. Okay, stem we can say lenticels. Okay, लेकिन how do the roots take in? Okay, roots also take in the oxygen. कैसे लेता है वो? Suppose this is the root hair. Okay, और यहाँ पे क्या है? Soil particles है. ठीक है, ये soil particles also have got what? Inside oxygen is present. So here through spores this enters the root and carbon dioxide bahar it goes out. Okay, so what happens, leaves are also, they take in water, oxygen, and give out carbon dioxide during respiration. They just remember, during photosynthesis oxygen is taken in, and during photosynthesis, during photosynthesis carbon dioxide is taken in and oxygen is given out, but always in respiration oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is given out, and whole parts of the plant participate in breathing and respiration. Okay, but have you seen plants, if it is locked with water, मतलब पानी भर जाता है, ठीक है, plants में, and वो water जो होता है क्या होता है, stagnant हो जाता है. If you water plant too much, बहुत सारा पानी आ गया, and plant the part of the plant, some portion of the plant goes inside water, what happens? Do those plants can respire? Those parts of the plants can participate in respiration. क्या कर सकता है? Have you seen? Just try it. What happens? इसमें क्या होता है कि अगर पानी भर जाता है ऊपर तक, it can't take it oxygen properly. So कभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा पानी डालकर to the plants, just don't leave it for days. Otherwise, the plant will not feel difficulty in respiration, and that will affect the growth of the plant. Okay, so this is all for today. Hope you might have understood. Good day. Take care.